Hello there. If you've ever wanted to capture a lovely moment on your phone and share it with friends or family on Facebook, but you're not sure where to start, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through every step, nice and easy. Let's begin with taking a photo. iPhone, find the camera icon on your home screen. Tap it once. Android, find the camera icon, often at the bottom, and tap it. Now your camera's open. Hold your phone steady. You'll see what your camera sees on the screen. Tap the big round button at the bottom to take the photo. And there you go, you've taken your photo. Now, let's find that photo. iPhone, open the Photos app, Colorful Flower. Android, open Gallery or Photos, Pinwheel or Mountain icon. Your most recent photo is at the top. Next, share it on Facebook. Open the Facebook app, blue square white FOA. If needed, log in with your email and password. Tap the What's on your mind icon box, iPhone. Tap the photo icon below the composer. Android, tap the photo icon too. This opens your photos. Tap the photo you just took. It appears in your post. Optionally, write a message. Look at my lovely garden or family time. Tap Post in the top right. Your photo is now shared on Facebook. Quick recap. Open camera, take a photo. Find it in Photos Gallery. Tap the photo icon in Facebook and post. If you get stuck, take your time and try again. Ask a family member or carer for help if needed. You're doing brilliantly. Practice makes it feel natural. Thanks for joining me today. Keep snapping and sharing. You'll brighten someone's day. See you next time.